Hi, I'm Ali and I'm going to test my code. In the right hand side, you can see my Python code. In my Python code, there are a lot of functions that I actually save them in the folder in order to use them. One of the most important functions actually is image processing function that actually help me to find a start, goal, and obstacles. And the second function is Q-learning function that actually help me to find actions. The third function is neural networks, help me to find joint angles. And the last section is implementing in the robot decay. Now I'm going to actually test my code. In order to test my code, I need to enter an image of the workspace to my code, so I use this platform. As you can see, the yellow object is a start point, the red object is actually obstacle, and the green is goal. Now I randomly put this object in the actually cells in order to prepare for actually taking a picture. Let me take a picture. I save the picture in the folder and use this picture as the input of image processing. Let me run the code. My code is running and the image is processing. After the image processing finished, you can see the result of image processing at the robot decay simulator, and then the robot actually find the actions and angles and implement it in their simulation. You can see, okay, as you can see, the yellow is here and the yellow is here, the red and the green is here, exactly right. And actually the robot started from yellow and reached to the green while avoiding the obstacle or red. And here you can see the matrix of path or actions. Here is actually the grid word, and as you can see, the robot start from here and went down, 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 right to reach the actually goal. And here is obstacle. Let me recheck it again with the another actually environment. For example, I put the start here and the red here and the goal here. Now I take a picture, replace it by the previous image, and then actually remove the previous result. Okay, now I can run the code again and you can see the new result that I actually enter the new image. The code is running. After the running, you can see the result of image processing here, and then you can see the actions. Okay, start from here and go up and then go right to reach the goal. Here is the new matrix of actions. Start from here, up, 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 and right, right, and then reach the goal. Goal is here, as you can see. Obstacle is here, as you can see. And the start point is here. Exactly right, similar to the my image. That's all. Thank you.